hail. This is something we don't usually see too much of down here in Atlanta. This is actually in Lawrenceville, Georgia, just outside Atlanta. Got quite a bit of snow coming down. It's only been snowing for about an hour here, but we have probably a good 3 inches. That yeah, close to 3 inches or so. Every county school, all the public schools are closed. I'm sure most businesses will be closed. CDC just announced they'll be closed all day tomorrow, just a few minutes ago now. So yeah, this could be pretty interesting. They say we're supposed to get some rain overnight. That could make things a whole lot worse. Got a lot of bad traffic accident reports already, so definitely some fun stuff. So winter is here. See ya.